Hey, let me show you how you can find and manage sound settings on the Nothing Phone 2a. So all you have to do is just to quickly open the settings. Next, from this, scroll down, move into the sound and vibration. And from this, first of all, we can adjust the volume level for media, ringtone, notifications, and alarms. And to do this, move the sliders to the left or to the right side. There we go. Next, we've got the Do Not Disturb mode. So if you are working or you don't want anyone to interrupt you, it's actually recommended to turn it on and set it up to your own preferences. So for example, if you still want to get some messages from application that you are using in your work, for example, just go here and allow this application, and the same for your contacts. So we can like block everyone, but enable the specific contact or specific application. Next, we've got option to flip our smartphone to glyph. So when you turn it on, the small description right here, the glyph interface will pulse briefly when the flip to glyph is activated, and it will actually silence all of the stuff that we have on the phone, like calls and notifications, but we will get the information that someone is happening by glyph animation. Next, we've got the vibrations for the calls, notifications, and the touch feedback, like tap on the screen or the keyboard. So we can also turn it on and off by tapping on the switcher. From this, we've got option to set the ringtone. So for sure we can pick the default ringtones, but also we can get the custom one by going to the My Sounds. You can add new sound from the Google Drive or from the phone storage, like this, and it will be visible from here. So after this, you can just set it up and confirm. And it looks actually the same for the notifications and for the alarm. Exactly the same. From this, we've got the media. So we can pick media player, we can show media on the lock screen or show media recommendations. If you want to turn it on or off, just click on the switcher. From this, we've got some other options like enhanced audio, the iPad tones, screen locking sound, the charging sound and the vibration, screenshot sound, and at the bottom we've got always show icon when in the vibrate mode. And you can adjust all of the settings by clicking on these switchers. And that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.